If you're tired of your outlets being full of plugs and looking really unattractive, when it would be so nice if you could just hide the cord behind a piece of furniture nearby, you are going to love Sleek Socket. This completely hides the outlet and then runs super clean cords to where you want them to be, so then you can plug what you want in while having it all look sleek. Now, I already have one of these outlets in my home. I got it years ago for a kitchen countertop where I just didn't want all the plugs sticking out of the wall, and Sleek Socket just gifted me this one to check out. So let's unbox it and I'll show you what this is all about. Now I'm already so excited. This one actually comes with 3M backed pieces to hold the cord in place where you want. You get this curved piece right here and then lots of little snap pieces, and this will make it so sleek wherever I want to put this. And then the main piece here is the Sleek Socket itself. And this is what it looks like. It is just this big white cover that's going to go over your socket, just like that. Definitely take that paper out first. And then it has two long cords coming out of the bottom. This is a different design they have that I really love. These cords can go two different ways, and they're both 8-foot long cords, and they have 3 grounded plugs on each end, so you really have a lot of plugs coming out of this single socket in a very sleek fashion. So what you'll do is take this flat cord, use all these clips to run it along your baseboard, get this into wherever you want it to be hidden, and then go about plugging in all your electronics. And not only are these great for making sockets look more sleek in your room, but I also really love these for when I want to push a piece of furniture flat up against the wall and I don't only have flat plugs that I want to put in the socket behind it. This allows me to use all of those different big fat plugs in these cords and keep it flat and flush against the wall. These are fantastic. You will definitely love having this on hand. Definitely check out this Sleek Socket or any of the other Sleek Sockets. They really do make a lot of varieties to fit whatever need you have.